one of those will be the thumbnail. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Now, it's been a while since I touched down with y'all. The last time I think I uploaded a video was the 27th of January or something like that. So yes, it's been a while. But through that course of time, I have been going through issues, alright? So, I am going to title this, I am losing $5,000. The reason why I'm not going to put I lost $5,000 is because I didn't do nothing yet as far as calling contractors to do anything. Alright, you guys, so all in a nutshell, I have a water main leak. Yes, there is a leak in the water main, but the problem is the leak is not in the house. So I was sleeping, I think the other 2 weeks ago, no, a week ago, and I went to sleep late. So I was up editing all night. It was like 7, 8 in the morning, and I went to sleep around 9. All of a sudden, the doorbell rings, and it's the county. The county knocked on the door, and I was like, I looked outside and I said, why is the county here? So I opened the door and said, hey, what's going on? And he was like, you have a water leak. And I said, I don't think I have a water leak. And he said, well, we're reading that you're using more water than usual. And I'm like, give me a second. So I went to get shoes and stuff on, and I'm like, you know, getting myself, you know, fully dressed, because all I had was pajamas and stuff. So anyways, that's blah blah blah, right? So I got all that situated. I actually went under all the vanities. I checked everywhere. I looked in the garage, because the bathroom, if anything leaks in the bathroom, it'll come down to the garage. That happened before because I didn't tighten something up. That's another blah blah blah. So as y'all know, I do all my plumbing inside the house. And I told him, I don't have no leak. So he said, okay, well, let's shut your water main off. I closed the water main, right? I opened all the water in the house, so there's no water coming through the house. So I closed this, and his meter is still reading. And he said, yeah, the meter is still going. He said it's a minor leak, but it is a leak. And I'm like, that's what I'm like. That's what I'm like. I'm saying all types of words and stuff, you guys. That I don't say on this channel anyway, but I'm like, oh my goodness, man. So with that being said, I called the home warranty, and unfortunately the home warranty don't take care of it. I haven't called the homeowner insurance yet, so I will be calling the homeowner insurance. Maybe they might be able to pay some, I don't know. But if not, I did call a plumber, and I do like this plumber. He was nice. He told me that the system that I have here, he said this should have been copper in the first place. It shouldn't have been CPVC coming from over here. I'm gonna show y'all that while I'm talking. Matter of fact, let me show y'all now. Alright, you guys, so here we go. We have the water line valve right here. This is the water main valve coming into the house. Then it's going down, and this is where it's getting supplied. So it's right there, and then it comes right here, and then this little black flex right here, look like a 3/4 flex going underground through this corrugated, look like perforated pipe. So it looks like I have issues going on underground out front of the house. So the first plumber, I actually liked him, and he said $5,000. You know, he said with that they're going to do upgraded copper. They said they're going to put a control valve here, pressure control valve here also. And he said he wanted to change this expansion tank up here, because he was knocking on it, and he said the expansion tank seemed like it's either clogged up or something like that. So for the plumbers out there that could give me any advice, y'all let me know. He says it's supposed to be hollow, and it's supposed to be strapped up to the to a structure. That's what he told me. So y'all let me know, so I am not getting hustled out here. Because I felt like I got hustled with my furnace after I let y'all know I paid $1,500 to get my furnace changed out. Y'all let me know that I should have got a double stage unit instead of a single stage unit. Now that I know that, so if something happens to the one that's in the attic, I will make sure I mention that I want a double stage unit, not a single stage unit. So for y'all plumbers out there that got any advice for me, and have any advice for me, all right, let me know. $5,000 is a decent price. Am I being overpriced? Should I check more plumbers? And y'all know this channel already, I will definitely call more plumbers anyway. But both of them said, the county said and the first plumber said that it's not really a major leak, but it is a leak. The third plumber, well, the county not a plumber anyway, but the plumber that actually came out for the okay, you guys, so the first plumber said the leak wasn't that major, but I did get a good vibe from him. So he did tell me $5,000, and then, you know, they got to do the digging out in the front yard and stuff like that. I know a lot of y'all going to say, well, you do most of everything anyway, so why don't you just try to do it yourself? Unfortunately, you guys, when it comes to a water main leak that's out front of your house, I'm in a homeowner association. That's a no-no, all right? That's a no. Reason being is you need a permit, you have gas lines, you have electrical lines, and basically you're digging around all that stuff. And you're going at least, I think it might be 6 feet deep. It might be deeper than that. So you guys, this is, I could have sworn I told the home warranty guy that I wanted the front yard covered, the water main, but maybe he didn't forget to put it in or something, I don't know. But anyways, y'all let me know what y'all think, especially if you're a plumber. If you could give out some advice, you could help me and you could help somebody else out. Now I know there is some water main coverages out there that's separate from everything else, so I will have to get one of those, especially once I'm done this, so I can definitely be covered. The $5,000 did set me back, you guys. It set me back, but it didn't set me back as far as reviewing products on the channel. It set me back as far as upgrading the house. This year I wanted to put windows, new windows in the house, and that's coming out my piggy bank for this situation, because I want this situation settled, because I don't want water to continuously run while I'm not using it, right? So this will be the most costly efficient thing to get efficiency on my bills, right? Anyways, so that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section. But yeah, if you're a plumber, please let me know before I pay this $5,000 if there's anything else that I should know about having this in a better situation. That way I can let the plumber know, hey, you know, can you use this type of copper, blah blah blah, or whatever that's supposed to be underground. That way we will not come to this leakage thing again. Yeah, story of my life, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.